Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute spider? And we'll turn it into a nice little finger puppet too. Well, let's get started. These are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so to start off, we're going to draw an oval shape for the body of the spider. So a nice big oval shape. Okay, and we're going to add the legs. So this will be the first leg. So it's sort of like an arch line, and then we're going to continue to follow it. This is the second leg, the third leg, and the fourth leg. So it seems like the spider is crawling, okay? So now on the other side, again, we're going to draw lines across, another one, and then the last leg. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so spiders have 8 legs. All right, so to make it look like a cartoon, we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes, an arch in the middle, and then we'll just color in the little pupil, okay? And let's add a nice happy smile for a happy spider. So spiders come in different shapes and sizes. There's over 30,000 different species of spiders. Now spiders, they have a large appetite, okay? So they like to build webs. So the spider silk is very strong. It's stronger than steel wire. So when they build their webs, they use it to catch their prey. Spiders are found everywhere except in Antarctica. And spiders have 8 legs, like I mentioned before, and they also have 8 eyes. And even though they have the 8 eyes, they have very poor vision. Okay, so here I am coloring the legs. And what I'm going to do is I am going to color the cheeks pink here. And I'm also going to use a bit of silver to just shade in around the face of our spider. Now there's a really nice story, children's story, Charlotte's Web. I love that story. And it's about a spider named Charlotte. Okay, so I hope you'll get a chance to read Charlotte's Web. Now, I have a cute little joke, and it goes like this. Why is the spider so clever? Because he is always on the web. So the spiders, they like to eat ants, flies, mosquitoes, and bees once they're trapped in their webs. And what they do, they wrap their prey in silk. Okay, and then they'll gobble them up. All right. So I cut out the spider. And now, in order to turn it into a finger puppet, okay, all you have to do is just cut a rectangle shape from a piece of paper, just like that, okay? And then you are going to curl it. So I'm gonna wrap it in tape, okay? And then you just flip your spider over, and then you're gonna add also another piece of tape right in the center of our spider. And then just tape it on. And now flip it over. And here you have a little finger puppet. You can do fun little plays with your spider. You could even sing, "The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again." Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.